You now have the ability to enter specific dimensions for your stock blocks in Delcam for SolidWorks 2013 using a function called centered stock. I have a part here open and ready to program in DFS, so I'll go to my task pane, go to machine a part, and in this case select my inch template. Okay, here comes my part ready to go. Now I know my stock axis is correct, so I'll just go to next. And for now I'll use the traditional bounding box, and this is still available if you'd like to use this. But this will put a box tightly fitted around the part. Of course I can add extra material in the positive or negative X, Y, or Z directions. And it will build that component in my assembly to those sizes. I'll skip the setup for now, and let's take a look at that stock. Go to the properties, and you can see here the resulting size with no extra material and the size of my geometry. I end up with a stock that's 12.85 by 1.8839 by 7/8. So it's certainly an odd size. It's not something I'm going to be able to get directly from my material supplier. So I really want to use a more realistic stock size in this case. I'll cancel that and we'll go back and edit this stock. Skip over the stock axis back to the stock definition, and here you see the new type, use centered block. And I can come in here and put in whatever numbers I want now. I can see the resulting, my current stock block, those dimensions. I put in something like 13 by 2 by 1, something a little more standard, and you can see the block update. I'll click OK. Go back to the properties. My component's been rebuilt to these dimensions, certainly more standard dimensions, something that I can purchase. So it's a way I can go in there and give it specific stock dimensions to use for my stock block.